You want to whiten your teeth naturally? Then go no farther than your own kitchen. Stick around for an easy turmeric and coconut oil teeth whitening recipe. But first, like natural beauty tips. Subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the recipe. Combine a high-quality turmeric powder with some high-quality coconut oil to make your own turmeric toothpaste. Mixing 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1/8 teaspoon of room-temperature coconut oil to form a paste. Wet your toothbrush bristles and dip into the mixture. Brush your teeth. Some people claim you should let the paste sit on the teeth for up to 5 minutes. Then always follow by brushing with your normal toothpaste. Want more whitening power? Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And if needed, a drop or two of mint extract for taste. Side note: the turmeric will stain the toothbrush. But fear not. It'll do the exact opposite on your teeth. Some celebrities and dentists swear by turmeric to help whiten your teeth. Since turmeric is a natural herb, it makes it an enticing alternative to commercial teeth whiteners, which be harsh and even cause tooth sensitivity. Together, coconut oil and turmeric have many oral health benefits. Coconut oil cleanses your teeth and gums from bacteria, and helps to eliminate bad breath naturally. Turmeric can reduce the risk of gum disease, gum pain and inflammation. It also has an abrasive action as well as astringent properties. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years as a healing and herbal cure. It's considered safe to use and it works for certain people better than other tooth whitening remedies. It is recommended to only use the turmeric and coconut oil teeth whitening mixture once daily. In the comments let me know. Have you tried this remedy to whiten your teeth naturally? How'd it work for you? If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends.